Good morning, my dear students of class 10. Welcome to my class. Today we'll start our second chapter on political science, that is federalism. So in this chapter we will discuss about the meaning of federalism, then the unitary government and federal government, and the type of the federalism. One is coming together federalism and another is holding together federalism. After that, what makes India a federal country? Then the decentralization in India and the conclusion. So now let us first move to the meaning of federalism. Okay, what is federalism, or what do you mean by federalism? So federalism is the division of power between the central and the state government. Okay, actually federalism is nothing but the way to distribute the power between the central government and the state government for the smooth running of the country. Okay, very easy thing. Federalism is the division of power between the central and the state government. These two are the government, and the federalism is the division of power between the central and the state government. Okay, now central government would look after the matter related to foreign affairs, finance, national defense and so on. Okay, it is not limited for a particular territory, but it is look after the whole nation. It is look after the whole country. Okay, however the state government would look after the matter related to state only. It is limited within the territory. Okay, for example Haryana, Punjab, all this. Okay, now how did the power divided between the central and the state government? Okay, the power divided between the central and the state government in two ways. One is unitary government and another is federal government. Okay, now what is unitary government? Unitary government is a system of government in which the central government is a supreme body. Understood? And in unitary government, central government is very powerful body. They are the supreme body and they make small territory and give them some power. Understood? This type of government is practiced in UK and France. Now the federal government. What do you mean by federal government? Actually, federal government is a government in which the constitution distribute power between the central and the state government. Okay, they are the powerful body. Okay, central and state government, and this type of government is practiced in India and USA. Now we will discuss about the type of federalism. Now the types of federalism. There are two types of federalism. One is coming together federalism and another is holding together federalism. Now coming together means to come together. No, and in the independent state come together to form a bigger nation to increase their security. That is the coming together federalism. Understood? The independent state, small state come together to form a bigger nation. Let me show you this diagram. They are a small independent country. They come together and form a bigger nation to increase their security. Okay, to become very powerful. They reunite themselves. They unite themselves to form a bigger nation, and this type of federalism is practiced in USA, Switzerland and Australia. Understood? Coming together federalism is a federalism where the independent state come together to make a bigger nation. Okay, and this type of federalism is practiced in USA, Switzerland and Australia. However, holding together federalism is the federalism where the large country decided to divide their power between the central and the state government. Like in our India, power is divided between the central and the state government, isn't it? So this type of government is practiced in India, Spain and Belgium. Okay, where the power is divided between the central and the state government. And this is the holding together federalism. Understood? Hope you all are getting my point. So this much for today. I will explain you more things in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and safe. Thank you.